We're going to Vestnes in ferry. There. Let's go inside. Up. Okay, we're going up. Yeah. Hi guys. We're going outside. So we're taking a ferry from Molde to Vestnes. We're going to another side. I show you around. Hi hi. Real Bunder coming.
Hey, Vestnes Bunder.
Vestnes Bunder.
Zo fijn.
Hartstikke goed. Automat here and you have to pay for a road. This road. Like, okay, let's try 30. Yeah, I pay for the road. Okay, we can go now. It's paid. And we are going on this mountain. There or there. This tree. Now we can go.
This is Fischtekokker. When I grew up, this is what I had on camping trips.
Okay, so we will eat this in the mountain, yeah? Okay, cool. Traditional potatoes. And we have traditional wood, yeah? So we have to take wood in our bag. What you will show me? Traditional?
Yeah, or my tradition in the mountains.
Okay. So what you will do? Take the hand, yeah? Traditional. Aha. You're traditional, yeah?
Yeah.
And what does mean?
It means good luck.
Good luck, yeah?
Yeah.
We have to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Your turn.
No.
No. Okay, let's do that.
But I want to drink.
You can make me.
I own it.
I have to wash my. Okay. Norwegian traditional.
Yeah.
Ah, it's so cold. Extra cold. Preparing to go to the mountain. Drinking, but water is good.
Water is good.
Water is so good.
Very clean. That's right.
Very clean.
This I do every time I go on the mountain.
Every time when you go to the mountain, you have to do that. Yeah. Okay, cool. Let's go.
And when we get to the first plateau, which is with Botten, it's 830 meters above sea level.
So what's the call, this water?
In Norwegian it's called Nedre Trollvann. It's the water source to Tungelfjord, which is the village beneath us.
Beneath us. And how they call this place when we are now?
It's called Brustin.
Brustin.
And Ystetin.
Ystetin.